This here is a budget-friendly over-the-ear headset, priced at $69 right now with a $25 coupon, making it one of the cheapest headsets we've reviewed yet. Now, this is the BlitzMax BMCT2, in which if you guys wanted your very own, check out the link down below in the description, and today we'll be opening it, trying it out, and seeing exactly what it's all about. So, without further ado, let's just jump right into it. Alright, so this here's our packaging, this here's our box, pretty simple stuff, and as we kind of open it up here, really simple inside as well. So you do see your little casing. We have our user manual, and then we also get a cable with a USB-A to USB-C cable for charging purposes. Now, this particular headset features a 16.2mm driver, so you do get a good amount of bass for something of its size. Now, it also features a 60-hour playtime running, and then as you kind of open it up here, check it out. Pretty cool looking case. Now, surprisingly, the case is actually pretty big. It can actually fit in the size of your hand just like that, but I would imagine carrying this about isn't actually too distracting. Now, as we kind of look at the case on the back, you do see a USB-C port. This will allow you to go ahead and charge the case, in which the case itself will charge our earbuds, which is right over there. So this is actually kind of nice because it does show a percentage battery life here on the front, so you don't really have to worry too much about that. And then, of course, you do have your earbuds inside here, and yeah, they're actually pretty cool looking. So they actually have a really nice thick feel to it. Quality grade material there, none less to say. Usually these things are super duper lightweight, and then I have to say that for what it is, it's actually quite light. Now it's got a nice looking metal kind of finish right over there for where the earbuds attach to your inside of your ear. And then over here you do have the touchless capability to go ahead and charge it, and then I believe this is our microphone as well. Now this one here being our left ear, just kind of wrap over it just like this. And just like that, that's how it kind of sits. So again, it doesn't go inside of your ear, it just kind of sits on the outside, so you can still hear yourself talk without feeling as if you're muffled. Put this over the ear, and that's how it looks. In terms of comfort goes, I would say it's about an 8 out of 10, mainly because of the fact that I can still hear myself, and it's as if I just feel like I'm wearing glasses more than anything. So I'm going to go ahead and try a song here and see how this plays. That's kind of loud. So again, I can hear myself talk, which is great. Generally with most earbuds like this, you wouldn't be able to hear yourself talk, but this here, you can actually hear yourself completely perfect. I like that. That's what I really like about the over-the-ear concept. It doesn't feel like you're kind of enclosed, more or less feels like you're open. Now this actually has a pretty good amount of bass. I can actually feel a vibration as it's kind of happening, which is kind of cool. So if I hit the right button there, it'll go ahead and pause it, just like that. And if I hit it again, it'll go ahead and play it. And if I double tap the right one, it'll go ahead and skip the song. Press it again, it'll skip the song again. And if I hit the left one twice, it'll go back. And if I hold it, it'll activate our Siri built into our phone. So that's kind of cool. So I like the fact that it does give you that full app connectivity and then integration into your phone, so it's as if it's a smart device at the same time. And then obviously it does have a built-in microphone, so we can actually hear ourselves. Let's go ahead and try that out next.
Okay, so this here is the sound quality of the microphone. So if you were to call someone, this is exactly how you would sound. I mean, it's not exactly the best, but exactly not the worst. It does justify itself, and it does work quite well for something of its size and, of course, the price itself. So I would say, yeah, definitely maybe like a 7 out of 10.
And yeah, there you go. So great quality music, easy to use, and then, of course, you do get a cool looking charger case that does show the battery life percentage right over there. I wish they would integrate that more into other ones. And yeah, I mean, it's a very simple pair of headsets that is designed to go over the ear. Now, with that said, if you guys have any questions about it, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video. Take care now. Bye-bye.